Other forward number 36, Dwayne Madrigal. And
another offensive rebound na naman para dito sa Valenzuela.
Madrigal naman, fast break. Transition points coming from Valenzuela as they take this early lead. 7
Selfish play pinapakita dito ng Valenzuela. And tignan mo naman yung lefty layup na yun.
Madrigal wheeling and dealing and getting
Ni JC dito talagang lamang na lamang compare sa iba. So yun nga lang. Napakagandang drive doon. Dwayne Madrigal, look at that. Stop and go. Pound for pound fitness. Foul counted para kay Dwayne Madrigal.
Ang ganda ng basa ni Madrigal noon.
Oh naman.
Nakita niya, slower defender. Inside, outside play. Kick it to the wing. Nice pump fake. Pass was tipped. That's Madrigal. Diving inside.
Nice drive. Grabe ang pinapakita din neto ni Dwayne Madrigal. Pakalawang foul counted na yon. Pound for pound fitness para kay Dwayne Madrigal dito sa ating ball game.
Dwayne Madrigal kahit matangkad o mabagal, kahit guardia pa yung nakabantay sa kanya, he has that mismatch. Grabe yung speed nito ni Madrigal for his size.
Oo, yung speed.
Cavite City outscoring Valenzuela in that third, 22-8. 14-point difference.
That would be it. Sayang, no?
Looks like that basket will count. But that will be the end of the ball game.